Outer joins. Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of joins. In this we will learn an important concept called as outer joins. So till now what we have seen that in these our two tables, department and employee, we have performed a join on these two tables on the basis of department code, where you very well remember that the spelling of department code column is different in both the tables, that is D code and DPT. So when we have performed a join, as you know that it is an equijoin, or it can not be done with the help of natural join because the name of the column is different. Okay, so what will the output? The output is something like this. Let us say it again. This was the table. And what was the question? The question was display the details of employee along with their department details. So what the question says that since you cannot tell that what is the name of department of Kumar, because here only 40 is written. So 40 is packing, but here packing is not coming. So what we want? We want to do a join. So what we have done, select star from employee, comma, department, where we want a join condition based on the common column. The common column is department code, but the spelling is D code and DPT, which is allowed. So we will type where DPT equal to D code. Okay. So what will be the output? The output will be, okay, let me correct it. Set line size 1000. Okay. Now you can see the output has come. Okay. Now again I am revising the same. See, 3 Rohit 10, 6 Tarun 10, but you cannot tell what is 10. But with the help of this join, now what you can see, 10 is sales, 10 is sales, 30 is production, and so on. So two tables are combined in one output. Okay, this is called as a simple equijoin, what we have written here. Why equijoin? Because we have given a equality condition. Sometimes you will find join where it can be greater than, less than, not equal to, depending upon the requirement of the query. So, but one thing which you will notice is actually the number of employees were 11 and the output has come of only 8. I hope you have understood why. Because what happened, as you must remember, I am telling you again, if you run only this portion, what will happen? Right, Cartesian will come. Okay, this Cartesian will come. Now in this Cartesian, what we have matched? We have matched wherever this D code is equal to this D code. So you can see when one Kumar 40 is there, and here also it is 40, then packing is the department of Kumar. Okay, so whenever this D code is matching this code, it is coming. But as you can see, there are few employees who do not have DPT code. So what happens? What happens? They do not match with anyone because here there is no null value, and again null value cannot be compared. So in a nutshell, what happens? Only 8 records from this employee table matched. So the information of 3 employees is what you call as missing. Missing in the sense they are not displayed because their matching values are not found in the second table. So what is the solution? The solution is outer join. So outer join does what? As you can understand, in this case only matching were coming, but in case of outer join, those records will also come where you do not have any matching record in second table. Okay, so what we want that the record of all 11 employees should come. In that case, those who are having department code, their department code details should be displayed, and those who are not having, they should be displayed without any department details. Okay, so for this we need a outer join. Now it's a very simple concept. If I ask you from which table the records are missing, or there are less number of records, the answer is employee, and the column name of that table is DPT. Okay, so what we want the outer join of this table with this. So again, there are two syntax, one is Oracle syntax and another is ANSI syntax. We will see both. Let us first of all see Oracle syntax of outer join. Again I am revising. This is an example of normal equijoin. So how many record will come? 8 will come. What we want? 11. So what we will do? Now the concept is the less number of records are coming from which table? Employee. The column name of this table is DPT. So we will apply plus on the opposite side, or you call it as you apply plus on that table from which you want to perform the outer join. Okay, so now see what will happen. Okay, there are different ways to remember it. The one of the way is you apply plus in that table which is opposite to the table from which the records are less. Since the record are missing from employee, the column name of employee is DPT. Decode is the column name of department. So you will apply from plus in that table which is other than the missing record table, or what you can say, the table from which you want extra record, the plus is applied on the other table. Okay, this is how you can remember. That is up to you, how do you want to remember. Okay, now what you can see, earlier 8 records were coming who do not have any matching, but now all 11 are coming. The remaining 3 which do not have any employee code, they are also displayed. So this is called as outer join, and this is Oracle syntax, proprietary Oracle syntax. There is one ANSI syntax also. We will see it runs in Oracle only, but the syntax are two different. Oracle keeps them both. Now there is a tricky question. Now suppose if I apply this plus on this side, then what will happen? Now you have to understand it. See, earlier what we were doing, we were joining this table outer to this. So we want matching of all these plus those who are not matched. Now we are applying plus on this. Earlier we had written plus this side, now we have written this side. So what happens? What you will assume it, this table will have outer join. So what will happen? First of all, those records which are matching like 10, 20, 30, 40. Here 10, 30, 30, 40 will match with all of them. 70 and 80 will not have any match. So what happened? 70 and 80 were left out from this output, as you can see here also. Okay, so now what will happen? Same. See, one thing you have to remember is in case of any type of outer join, the minimum number of records are actual equijoin records. So equijoin records were actually 8. So at least 8 will come. Rest depends on which side you are performing join. You can call it as something like right outer join also, and this one is left outer join. But that is a different concept. But let me see it first, then we will move ahead. So what will happen? Minimum 8 record will come from this, and 2 record will come from this side, because this time we have applied plus on this. Okay, so what you can see, this is the output. Okay, I will suggest you to make notes, note it down, understand it carefully on the copy, try to run on different table. See, the query is same, select star from employee comma department, select star from employee comma department, but where DPT equal to decode, where DPT, but the position of plus has changed the output. Here plus means you want to have outer join of this table with this. Here plus means you want to have outer join of this table to this table. So from extra comes from this when you apply plus on the opposite side, and when you apply plus on this side, extra come from this. Okay, so this is called as left outer, right outer. Now you may be wondering, suppose you want output from both, so can you apply plus on the both side? Let us see. dpt equal to decode. Now I must tell you, this is not allowed. Error will come. Okay, because if you want to perform, you might think that this might give you full outer join, but this is not the syntax of full outer join. Full outer join is having a different syntax. We will see it very soon, but let us finish this. I hope you have understood this very well. Try, practice, note down, copy, try on other type of tables, because this is one of the most important SQL topic. Okay. So now let us see full outer join. Now full outer join, as you have seen, both side plus is not allowed, so there is a different ANSI syntax. What is the answer? Select star from employee. You want to do full outer join. Full outer join on department. Now since the column name are different, you have to use on the basis of what? Again, right, on dpt equals to decode. Just see the output. Now very interesting output has come. As you can see, our original 8 records are coming, which was the case of equijoin. 3 extra records from this table is coming, which were not matching with any record, and 2 extra records are coming from this table. Okay, so this is how you perform full outer join. With this, there is one more syntax that I would like to tell you in the same context of ANSI syntax. The thing which we have done with the help of plus can also be done with the help of keyword. So what we'll type, select star from employee. Now you want extra record from which table? Employee. And employee is written currently, as you can see on the screen, on left hand side. So what we type, left outer join. The table which is written on left side will have outer join with department on same thing, dpt equals to decode. See, this output is exactly same as this one. Select star from employee, comma, department, where dpt equals to decode plus. You can see the output is same. The difference, this is ANSI syntax and this is what? This is Oracle syntax proprietary, and this one plus one, and this is ANSI syntax. Okay. Whenever you use keyword left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, that is Oracle ANSI syntax. And when you use plus, it is Oracle proprietary syntax. Don't be confused, it is simple concept. Both are running in Oracle, both are SQL statement, only some compatibility issue is there. Okay. So, however, you must note that if I change this thing to right and rest everything, it will be same. What will happen? Now it means that outer join the table which is written on the right hand side. Okay. So right hand side, which table is written? Department. So extra record will come from department. This is the difference. Okay. So try to understand it. It is a simple concept. Just the position of table written, left or right word written, and the position of table which is written on this side has effect of out. Concept is same. It is up to you. You want to use plus or you want to use left or right keyword. But in case of full outer join, you will have to use full outer join keyword. Full outer join is not allowed in case of Oracle proprietary syntax. that is both side plus plus. Okay, practices. Thank you very much. See you in next video.